Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will develop this 3D model in SolidWorks. We will go to New, we will select the part and then click OK. We can change the background color here. We will select the sketch, click on sketch. So here we will select the front plane. We will select the center rectangle. We will draw the rectangle. So we'll give the dimension, this one is 100 and this one is 50. So this bottom is 100 millimeter and this one is 50 millimeter. Okay, so this one is 50 millimeter and the extrude at 68. Then we will go to feature, then go to extrude, and here we'll select the 68. So we'll put the 68. Right, now we need to create this cut. So we will select this face, then go to sketch, click on the sketch. Okay, so the distance is this distance from here to here is 40 millimeter. Okay, and then we have to create the angle of 45 degree, right? So we will create a center line. So we will create a center line, then we will select the line and we will draw a line. Okay, and then we will give the dimension to this line as a 40 millimeter. Right, now we need to select this point, then press Control, select this point, then select this line. Okay, so we have selected these three lines, then make it symmetric. Okay, now we need to select the line and we will draw a close shape like this one. Okay, and from here smart dimension we will select this line and we will select this line, and here we will put the angle of 45. Okay, now we need the same sketch here. So we will select the mirror entities. First we will select the mirror line like the center line, and then we will select these entities and said OK. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now go to feature and then go to extruded cut. So we can select through all, we can select this face and select this face. Okay, and then OK. Now we need to this cut, this is 40 and 20. So we'll select this face, then go to sketch. Okay, so from here we will select a center line. Okay, so we need to draw a line not from the center. So we can draw a center rectangle at this point, and then from here to here is 40. Okay, and the distance from here to here is 20. So we can select this line, and this one is 20. Okay, and now we will go to feature and then go to we will check this, we will go to feature and then we will go to extruded cut. So we will select through all. So now this cut is created. Now we need to create this cut. For that we will select this face, then go to sketch, and similarly we will select a center rectangle. We will select this center, we will draw the rectangle. We know the width of this one is 16, so here we will put the 16. Okay, and now this one is 10, so we will select this and we'll select this line, and this one is 10. Right, then go to feature and here we select the extruded cut and we'll select the through all and said OK. So now our model is ready. Okay, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.